I know exactly how it feels to want to start a business, but be frozen by fear. Before I started my gourmet popcorn store, I had every excuse in the book. Can my business idea really work? People are gonna probably think I'm crazy for wanting to open a gourmet popcorn store. And what do I know about running a business? And the biggest fear of all, is it too risky to start a business right now? If you're feeling any of these, I get it, because I was there too. But here's what finally hit me. Staying where I was actually at, playing it safe, wasn't really safe. I was putting my entire future in someone else's hands, trusting that a job will always be there. But deep down, I knew there was no guarantee. And that's when I realized all the fear that was keeping me from starting my business could be summed up to one fear, the fear of failure. Because let's be real, how long have you been sitting on a business idea? How many times have you thought about it, got excited about it, and then you talked yourself out of it? If I would have let fear win, I would still be stuck, wondering what if. I made the decision to move past my fear, I educated myself, and more important, I changed my mindset. I realized that failure isn't failure. It's just a lesson being taught, and it's up to me to recognize the lesson and learn from it. Every successful business owner had to start somewhere, and everything they tried wasn't always successful. They didn't have all the answers, and neither did I. But the difference, we took action anyway. So let me ask you, how long are you gonna let fear hold you back? You already know what's gonna happen if you do nothing, but just imagine if you take that leap. Drop a comment below. What business idea have you been sitting on? It's time to stop waiting and start building.